Hello students, so we are going to discuss this paper SAT chemistry subject test number 8. So we will see how to do the questions in the least possible time. If you see this question number first, you have to choose from these options. This equation represents Boyle's law. So if you remember Boyle's law, at constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So more the pressure, less is the volume. Both are inversely proportional. So that means at a constant temperature, P1 V1 will be equal to P2 V2 and so on. P into V is a constant factor. So out of these options, B is the answer. P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. This is at constant temperature. Second is this equation represents the first law of thermodynamics. So answer will be E, because it says that the total energy of the universe is constant. So energy transfer can take place in two different ways, either in the form of heat or in the form of work. So delta E is the change in energy at constant volume. This is Q is the amount of heat transfer, W is the work done. So these are the two different modes of energy transfer, in the form of heat and in the form of work. So total energy of the universe is constant. So that is first law. So that is E. This equation represents the ideal gas law. So this is PV equal to nRT. R is the gas constant, pressure, volume, temperature. R will be, you can have various values of R depending upon the units of pressure and volume. And temperature always has to be in Kelvin scale. This is a standard unit of temperature. This equation represents Charles' law. So Charles' law is at a constant pressure, volume of a given amount of a gas is directly proportional to temperature. So V by T is a constant factor. So when V by T is constant, you can say under different conditions of volume and temperature, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So answer will be C. So you can say as the temperature increases, volume of a gas will also increase. So volume of a gas, it depends upon pressure also, it depends upon temperature also. So that means we have to, whenever volume is specified, it has to be given under the specific conditions. Otherwise it will be meaningless. So volume is always specified under the given conditions. Fifth is exhibits different colors in acidic and basic solutions. So that will be a pH indicator. pH scale is from 0 to 14. So